Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm on the trails. It is absolutely pissing rain. It has been raining pretty hard all week. We had a pretty big storm. So, it should be fun. It's always fun on a motorbike. So, let's see how we get on. Hi guys. Okay, today's a tough day. It's pretty wet and slippery everywhere. There's a lot of trees down, so there's a lot of paths blocked. So I'm going to quit while I'm ahead because the conditions are getting worse. And when you're out on your own, you're better off not taking as many chances as you are when you're with a group. So yeah, it's been good fun. kind of feel like I'm going backwards, but that's because of the weather conditions. So hopefully we'll be able to progress a little bit more in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.